Hi there, students. To talk somebody into doing something. To talk somebody out of doing something. And also to talk your way out of doing something. This one's for Hamada Abbas. Okay, so if you talk somebody into doing something, you persuade them to do it. You give good arguments, good reasons why they should do it. So you persuade them to do it. Effectively, to talk somebody into doing something is to persuade someone to do something by talking to them about it, by convincing them, by giving them good ideas and good reasons to do it, so they change their mind. Okay, so the opposite of this is to talk somebody out of doing something, and this is exactly the same, but in with the opposite meaning. Is there any way I can talk you out of investing in this company because I think you're going to lose your money? Yeah. I was going to visit this country, but my friends talked me out of it. They gave me good reasons why I shouldn't do it. I was going to hit him, but my wife talked me out of it. And then you can talk your way out of something as well. If you're in a really difficult situation, you're in problems, maybe you can talk your way out of it, not get punished by convincing or explaining why you shouldn't be punished. So I hadn't done my homework, and I thought the teacher was going to be really angry with me. But I managed to talk my way out of it by providing a really good excuse. Okay, so to talk somebody into something, to persuade somebody to do something that they're a bit unwilling to do, that they don't really want to do. Yeah, to get somebody to talk to do something, to persuade them by giving them good reasons, trying to convince them. So the salesman tried to talk me into buying it, but my wife talked me out of it. Okay, so to talk somebody into doing something, to persuade them to do it, to give information by talking and suggesting. Very often people talk you into doing things that you don't really want to do. I didn't really want to go out, but my friend talked me into it. You're going to have a really good time. You're going to have fun. You're going to have a good evening. Yeah. Somehow my boss talked me into working during my holidays. It wasn't a very good idea, but he talked me into it. Okay, so this I think also has the idea of to coax, to cajole somebody into doing something. Yeah. Let's see. You could also talk yourself into doing something. Well, I don't really want to do this, and you talk yourself into it. Yeah, don't talk yourself into doing things that you don't want to do. Finding reasons why you should do it. Okay, so this is overcoming somebody's objections to something. Don't let your friends talk you into doing something that is illegal. Yeah. You shouldn't let people talk you into doing anything that you don't want to do. Okay, so to talk somebody into doing something, to argue, to bring them round, yeah, to prevail upon somebody to do something. Yeah, it's like you're trying to sell an idea, and this is the idea of to talk somebody into something. Look, do that and don't let anybody talk you out of it. And then to talk your way out of a difficult situation. Yeah, to give explanations that satisfy people. Yeah, everybody was angry with me, but I managed to talk my way out of it by proving that it wasn't my fault. I wasn't to blame. Okay, so to talk somebody into doing something, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 4.5 in formality. Use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing, yes, just about, but nothing more formal than that. And notice it's to talk somebody into doing something, to talk somebody out of doing something, or to talk your way out of doing something. So notice it's separable. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Talk somebody into doing something. Talk somebody out of doing something. Talk your way out of something.